Hello everyone, I'm Pentin. Today I will introduce the Excel editing, and this is a BSAD 40. First, the editing that I want to introduce is that Excel to Word document automations. It can update Word and PowerPoint documents from Excel data, calculation, text, table, and chats. It can improve the productivities, automate update of Excel contents into Word and PowerPoint documents. Updatable content including text, tables, charts, lists, and images. And they have many features. First one is the same as in work in all three apps that we usually used: Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. The same Excel document can update multi-tab destination, Word, and all PowerPoint report templates. Great for individual, professional, and large organizations. There are many other advanced features, such as conditional content and HTML formatting, and it supports small to very large documents, even it has hundreds of pages and slides. And the key benefit of this editing is that it can improve the productivity, eliminate repeat copy-paste from Excel, avoid clerical errors, ensure your documents are always updated, and rely on robust links that wouldn't break when you share your document or change your file names. Unlike the native Office link, you can rename files, copy-paste and reorganize content, email share the linked files, and so on. And they can reduce cost, avoid other expensive complex document automation apps, and leverage the familiarity and the power of Office. And the common use of this add-in is that the add-in is successfully used in thousands of individual, professional, and small to large organizations. Leverage Excel to capture, import, consolidate, lookup, calculate, analyze, summarize, and visualize data. Then update a variety of documents, such as the data-rich business report and presentations, and financial documents with hundreds of tables and charts. It's quite easy for our daily use. That's all. Is my introduce my add-in. Thank you.